So if I said I was going underground to a town called Malice to have a look at this one, you'll probably be able to guess that it was formerly owned by Paul Weller of the Jam and the Style Council, and now solo artist. Him and his family owned it for 18 years. So it's a 1972 Mercedes-Benz 250 saloon in pretty good, no, not pretty good, I'd say beautiful condition. Lovely sort of interior. I don't know if it's leather or MB text. I think there might be leather. I know Mercedes at that time did a great job in creating a vinyl that looked an awful lot like leather and actually lasted longer than leather would. But this is guided at 40 to 50,000 pounds. Now I don't know what these would be if it hadn't got a Paul Weller connection, but I suspect a fair bit less than that. But it is a very good example and beautiful sort of dark blue colour. And there he is, the man himself pictured with the car.